I want to show you this Cuisinart bread maker I just bought about a month ago at Bed Bath & Beyond. And I bought the first one, and I had the same brand that I had gotten for a wedding present 20 years ago, and I loved that brand. And it was great. And I got the same brand again, different model, of course, 20 years later. And when I turned it on, it wouldn't get the dough off the sides. I don't know if I got a defective one or not. So I took it back and I got the Cuisinart. Paid a little bit more, had a coupon, and got this one. So as you can see, I have my bread all ready to go. I have my flour, my water in the bottom, all my liquid in the bottom, and then I made a little hole for my yeast. You make a little hole for that. And my other bread maker, it would just take off as soon as you turned it on and it would start mixing up. But this one, it heats the water up to the temperature that it needs to be. So it's kind of nice. You don't have to guess to make sure you have the right temperature of water. So I'm very happy with it. I make a whole wheat, honey whole wheat, and I added a couple teaspoons of gluten flour to it because it was just so hard. I don't know why. It would just turn out real hard. So this one works great, and I love it. And that's it. Bye-bye.